So let's start with the listing because we have some photos, we have some listing optimization. So here you can see like we've sold, over 400 in the last 30 days. And that's with pretty much ads being turned off, no TikTok shop, no TikTok ads, no influencer promotions, doing nothing on social media, just maintaining our rank, which is like top 100-ish right now. And a little bit of PPC that we're spending. So let's go ahead and knock these questions out. We had questions about photos. Where do we get the photos? What should the photos look like? As well as listing optimization. So we'll go ahead and knock the photos out. There's a few different ways that you can do photos. So when it comes to photos and you're starting out, it obviously depends. And I want you guys to look at these photos like, yeah, these photos look great. Yes, they are professionally taken, so on and so forth. But a lot of these photos, I want you guys to understand, we didn't launch with these photos. Like all of these are professionally taken. We didn't launch with these. So when it comes to photos, I want you guys to understand that there is a launch phase and there's a scale phase. And the reason why I want you guys to understand that is because, more time and more money is going to go into the scale phase and less time and money will go into the launch phase because success loves speed. What I don't want you guys to do is I don't want you guys to spend a ton of time, effort, energy, and resources in a micro launch, and then you have to nimbly switch or shift into different gears because the product didn't perform how you thought it would, or whatever variables may happen, right? That's the worst thing because when you're doing photos and you're doing the listing and you're in the scale stage, it is going to take time. It's going to take money. The sales conversions are not night and day, right? It's not night and day with the professional stuff versus the average stuff. And I've showed you this. I've showed you guys this over and over again. But again, just to solidify, because I cannot teach what I do not know. I cannot lead where I will not go. I will go back and show you guys how they looked like when I made millions of dollars. Here you can see the date, 2017. These were ugly as hell, arriving broken with a crazy looking label in a box, like a shipping box. There was no box. And these are 5-star reviews. And this product was doing anywhere between $300,000 to $800,000 a month. So it was profiting 6 figures per month. So again, I don't want you guys to get caught up like they were ugly. Like you look at them now and you look at what they look like. It's a big difference, right? Like it's a big difference. They didn't look like this. I'll go big so you guys can see. They didn't look like this. Like look at the picture and look at this. They didn't look like this. So I don't want you guys to get caught up on them being perfect because perfectionism leads to procrastination, right? So a lot of people, they get a lot of emotion involved when they're launching these products. Again, 2017, we launched this product and I do the same thing today. I did the same thing with this product. The most important thing is doing the product research, finding the product, doing your due diligence, and launching it and getting a proof of concept in the marketplace. Once you get a proof of concept, you can change your product. You guys can change your product. If you look at image number 2, let me make this bigger so you guys can see it. If you look at image number 2, I'm literally telling them, hey, we updated everything. The box is new. The product is new, the size is different, everything is different. It does not matter. So a lot of people are like, oh my God, it has to be perfect from day one because what if I change the logo, or what if I change the font, or what if I change the packaging, or what if I change the size or the quantity, or it does not matter. You're not going into a rollout into JCPenney and Target and Walmart in the sums of millions or tens of millions of dollars. It is not that serious when you're starting. Now, when you're getting POs and you're going to send 200,000 units across the globe to Walgreens, you want to make sure your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted, right? Which this is the information that's going to start going into the program, as well as I want you guys to think next steps, right? Like 5-10 steps down the future, right? Not just a quick 3 to 5K a month. I want you guys to think where I stopped thinking and innovating, which is let me get a proof of concept. Let me scale up to 6 or 7 figures on Amazon. Then let's roll it out to retail and to our own website. And then let's sell it in 3 to 5 years for an 8 to 9 figure sell. That's where I want you guys to think. Even a multi 6-figure sell. If you invest 10K into the business and you get a proof of concept on Amazon and you're profiting $300,000 a year, which is around $20,000 per month, a business that can sell at a 3x multiple at $300,000 net profit will make you a millionaire. That one product will make you a millionaire that quick, right? And you could do this in literally 24 to 36 months. All you need is 24 months of financials and stable growth, not explosive growth where you don't have to do what we did, 100K in 90 days. Venture capitalists want to see a cordial, realistic, nice incline, not a starting from here and skyrocketing up, because volatility is volatility in the world of finance, right?